So I heard that your videos are amazing, but nobody is clicking. The right YouTube title can increase your views 10 times today. I'll show you exactly how to write title that will get you click every single time. Your YouTube title do two things. Firstly, they make people want to click, and they also tell the algorithm what a particular video is all about. So if you have a bad title, nobody's going to click that video. But if you have a great title, there is more clicks, more recommendation, and more growth. Now, how do you write a title that people cannot ignore? Using the 3C formula: curiosity, clarity, and clickability. And I'm going to explain these 3 C's. Curiosity, it makes people wonder. That's where you get the question of what happened next. Clarity tells the viewers what your video is all about. Why clickability uses power word to grab the audience attention. Now I'm going to give you an example of a bad title. Let's say how I got more views. That's a bad title. Instead, good title will sound like this: how I tripled my views in 7 days. The second one is specific, exciting, and makes you curious. So do you see the difference? There are certain words that make people want to click, and these words, they are called power words. Examples of power words: we have secret. Secret of growing on YouTube is a very power word. Someone wants to know, oh, what's the secret? What's the secret? It's building inquisitivity. It's building curiosity. Have crazy. This crazy YouTube hack worked. The word crazy is a power word. We have mistake and we have exposed. When people use words like mistake in their title, is a power word, and you want to click, oh, what happened? YouTube algorithm exposed. Using of power words helps to get more clicks. Study shows that numbers in title increases click by 36%. Now try this format: 5 YouTube hacks you need to know. How I got 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. YouTube SEO. Then you open a bracket, YouTube beginner's guide. Numbers add structures to your title. Why bracket makes your title to stand out and to be more visible. So the next time that you are writing a title, make sure to impute numbers and brackets. Even great titles can be improved. Here is how to test your title for maximum click. When you want to upload a video, try to write 3 to 5 variations of the title of that particular video, and check the click-through rate in the YouTube analytics. If the CRT is low, then go ahead to adjust that title. You should know that titles are not set and forget. Just keep testing your titles until you find what works, or you find the title that works best. Now you have the secret formula to writing the perfect title. Make sure you try this in your next video and watch your click go up. If this video helps you, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also tell us in the comment section what is the best video title you have written. Let's share ideas in the comment section. And if you have a question, don't forget to drop in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.